कालांगूट पंचायतीन गौरववाडो वाठारांतली बेकायदेशीर अतिक्रमण करून उबारिल्ली दुकानां मातये भरवण केली। मेळिल्ल्या म्हायती प्रमाण ह्या वाठारांतली 23 दुकानां मातये भरवण करपाचो आदेश उपजिल्लोधिकारी आनी उपविभागीय दंडाधिकाऱ्यान दिल्लो। नोटीस मेळ्ळे उपरांत थोड्यांनी आपली दुकानां स्वता मातये भरवण केल्ली, मात 4 ते 5 दुकान धन्यांनी आदेशाचो पालन करूंक नाशिल्ल्यान कालांगुटे पंचायतीन बुधवारा उरिल्ली दुकानां मातये भरवण केली।
Demolition squad, then video granted as a deputy collector granted as a squad, and accordingly we proceed on site today. So today is the second phase of the demolition. Altogether 23 structures were there. Most of the people themselves demolished their own structures. Only 4-5 which are there temporary structures. Panchayat to honor verdict of the High Court, Panchayat took a decision and accordingly procedure started.
So almost कितने demolition आजच्या दिसा गेली थे?
Almost there was 23 demolitions. Among them only 3-4 demolition were carried out. Rest of the things owner of the occupier of the building themselves removed all the encroachment, and still further the process will be continued.